Hey guys, I'm about to cook, and well, not cook, you don't cook anything, but I'm about to make overnight oats. I'm so excited. I have been like wanting oatmeal so bad this week. I made some for my kids and I was like, oh my gosh, this is so, I took a bite and I'm like, I need more. So this is Chef Allie. She has kind of like what she puts in hers, but there's no like real recipe. So we're just gonna go off what she says. So stay tuned. All right, y'all, these are the ingredients. So I have my unsweet vanilla cashew milk, PB2. I've never used this. Y'all know I'm not a huge fan of peanut butter, but people use this all the time, so why not? We got my plain non-fat Greek yogurt, quick oats, oh my goodness, no meat, cheesecake, sugar-free Jell-O, and mixed berries. I didn't get a chance to go get mason jars today, so I just found a few items I have in my house that have lids that aren't extremely massive. First step is 1/3 cup of oats, which is 3 points, and that's what we're gonna put in each jar. Now we are gonna do 1/3 cup of the unsweet vanilla milk in each jar. All right, so the milk's in that. I'm gonna stir it up just a little bit, each one. All right, so far this is 3 points, just the oats. The milk for that much is 0 points. Now we are going to do 150 grams of this. It is 0 points. That is what 150 grams is. And by the way, it's not counting the bowl. So watch, when I take the bowl off, it goes negative because of that tar button. But so I guess now that is 5 grams of the cheesecake sugar-free pudding, which is 0 points. And I'm gonna splash a little bit more milk and mix it together. Okay, that tastes really good. So now I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of this, mixed with some water or a little bit of the milk, mix it and put it on top. All right, so the peanut butter is mixed. Now I'm gonna do berries. I'm gonna probably do 1/2 cup. And we're just gonna put a lid on it, let it soak overnight. All right, these are finished. They're all filled up. So we will do a taste test in the morning. Good morning, y'all. I'm about to eat my overnight oats. I'm so excited. Of course, this was like the worst jar, but it was the best jar I had. So if you saw the last slide, I ate one of these last night. So I tweaked something. I added a little bit of Splenda or 0-calorie sweetener to it because I didn't think about that with the oats and the unsweetened milk, that it would not be sweet down there. So of course mixing it together helps, but we're just gonna go. I'm gonna dig down in there, take a big bite. It's so good. All right, guys, I really enjoyed this. The cool thing about this is there's so many things you can do with it. You can do peanut butter. You don't have to do peanut butter. You can do the different flavors of pudding in the yogurt mixture. You could do like cocoa powder in the yogurt mixture. You could do even like pineapple or mango, make like a super tropical one. So
pineapple,
if you make it, let me know. But I really enjoyed these. I have 2 more for the next 2 mornings. I'm really excited. It's so good. And yeah, I think it's a great way to eat oatmeal in the summer.